day 2 testing, and I have a special surprise. I guess it's a surprise, but you know, we are going to have the battery in the freezer for at least 4 or 5 hours, get it good and cold, and then we're going to load test it and see what happens. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is day 2. The battery has sat in the freezer, which is about -10, for exactly 24 hours. I'll show you what I've got going on here. I have it set on trickle charge also, just to make sure it's completely topped off before we do a load test on it with it -10 degrees. Take a look. So here's the trickle charge I set up. Here's my freezer. My wife may kill me if she sees this. There it is. So I charged it before I put it in there completely, and then I just figured I'd keep it on trickle charge while it was in there so that I could have a good accurate load test on it. So let's grab the machine, we'll do the load test, see what happens. Not sure if you can see this. It's frosty. Negative, negative. Obviously positive to positive. Alright, let's hook up these leads. 14.25 volts. This thing is constantly showed about 0.2 of a volt shy of what my voltmeters have. So same there. And it's been at -10. Let's see what we can do with it. 310 amps. Got it down to about 8 volts. at 8 volts, so it definitely doesn't like the cold, and it's rated at 880 cold cranking amps. So I guess my father-in-law was right. He said to me as soon as we got this battery, he said lithium iron phosphate does not like cold temperatures. So I guess we just proved that the lithium iron phosphate chemistry is not as good as the lead acid when it comes to being cold tolerant. I'd like to try a LiPo battery also. I've got a couple big pouch lithium ion batteries that I may put together and see what we can do with it. Thanks for watching. Next video we're going to do something pretty exciting. We might get to see the internals of this battery, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. Have a good day.